Feel like you're on vacation every day in this beautiful 3-story townhome with breathtaking views of the Chesapeake Bay. Enjoy walks on the beach right outside your door. The gourmet kitchen features a beautiful 4x8 center island with built-in microwave, stainless steel Energy Star appliances, custom cabinets with under-cabinet lighting, and subway tile backsplash. Open concept living with dining area and living room westwood burning fireplace can be reopened. Take in sunsets from your private deck. A spiral staircase takes you to the first floor bedroom with full bathroom and 1-car garage. The third floor includes primary bedroom with jaw-dropping views of the bay, a full bathroom and second spacious bedroom. Close to restaurants, breweries, and easy access to highways. Minimum 7-day rental, so great investment property or second home. Ample parking with 1-car garage and 2 spaces. Don't miss this amazing beachfront living. For more information, review the details below.